Hello, my name is Deja Kazol, and this is my final presentation for a senior seminar. I am originally from Brockton, Massachusetts. I am currently a senior at North Carolina Central University. I plan to pursue a career as a neonatal physician assistant. A neonatal physician assistant is a physician that specializes in infant care. I have chosen this career path because I love to help those in need, specifically infants who are yet unable to help themselves. To become a PA, I will need to attend a 2-year program. Upon completion of that, I will need to take the National PA Certifying exam to acquire licensure. Throughout this course, I have took the time to figure out my strengths and weaknesses. My strengths are perseverance, organization, and critical thinking. Perseverance is a great attribute to have. Though I may procrastinate at times, I stay persistent and get my work done. A lot of people are unable to complete work in cluttered spaces, which is why I personally like to be organized. This allows me to stress less and focus on the task at hand. Critical thinking allows me to think logically and make suitable conclusions and decisive decisions. My areas of support are the writing studio, tutors, and family. The writing studio allows me to have them read over my work, give me feedback, and correct my mistakes. Tutoring is also great academic support. It has helped me tremendously. With the tutor, I am able to get a one-on-one experience, and they are able to explain information and materials to me in ways in which I can comprehend easily. My family is my support system. They expect the best of me. They are my motivation. My 3 areas of development are quality of my workspace, time management, and procrastination. These are my strategies for success. Improving workspace, improving time management, and prioritizing. Although these all coincide with each other, these are all areas I need to improve on to succeed academically and reach my goals. As we all know, distractions can easily keep you from getting your work done. As for me, I get distracted very easily by my phone, but mostly social media. So to improve this, I plan on leaving my phone that is somewhere less accessible while doing work for improving my time and time management. This will not only allow me to get my work done in a timely manner, but it will allow me to retain information and produce higher quality work. My academic and professional goals are to exceed my average grades with my last semester of school. School will now be my number one priority. Next, I would like to be accepted into a PA program. I would like to attend either Campbell University or East Carolina, as they both have phenomenal PA programs. Once completing my 2-year PA program and passing the certifying exam, I would like to reside in Boston, Massachusetts. Boston is known as the Mecca for medicine and the home of prestigious hospitals. I would like to secure a job at either Boston Medical, Children's Hospital, or Brigham's and Women's Hospital. Once I have achieved this goal, I ultimately just want to be the best PA I can and perfect my craft. With these strategies to success, I believe I can do just that. Thank you for listening to my presentation.